My name is ChemE Cube. I survive in some of the most intense regions of the world. My first stop, Pittsburgh, PA. After getting dropped off by helicopter, I started with the essentials.
The first thing you need to survive in the wild is water.
I'm going to make a modular water purification device that fits inside a cubic foot. First, I'll make a frame out of steel. To filter out bacteria and solids, I'll use a ceramic filter. Then, to deactivate viruses, I'll use chlorine bleach in a continuous mixer. Finally, I'll use activated carbon from a campfire to take out the chlorine.
That's some clean water.